The distance between the means for food A and B is 3, and this is greater than 2.51. For B and C, it's also 3. And for A and C, the difference is 6. Therefore, all of the differences are honestly significantly different. If we just looked at the means, we wouldn't know whether or not their differences are simply due to sampling error. But now we can conclude that cows prefer food C. Before we move on from Tukey's HSD, note that we can only compute this when the sample sizes are all the same. In this case, they were all 3.